There's Bailey going pee-pee. Bailey, you going pee-pee? And we have everybody else over there. Who's this? Come here. There's Brewer. Hi, Brewer. Hi, buddy. What are you doing? What are you doing, Brewer? Get your tail, Brewer. Get that tail. Get it. Do the tail. He's getting a snack, including Callie, eating the puppy food. There's Brewer sticking his head in the hole again. He fell asleep in there the other day. Hey you. Hey you. Hey! What are you doing in there? Where are you going? Get out of there. Get out. Brewer. What's in there? Something interesting in there? Let me see if we can see you from the other side. Can we see you from the other... Oh, there you are! Brewer, don't get in there. No, don't do that. Back up. We gotta get you out of there. That's not good. Brewer! Oh, no. Brewer, hey, come on. Out of there. Let's go. Oh, shit. Russ! Oh, my God. Come here! Brewer is inside of the cinder block. Oh, he's coming back out. Okay, good. I thought he was stuck. Because I thought he was stuck. He was all the way in the middle of the tunnel. Brewer.
Okay.
Yeah, we're good. It scared me. I thought he was going to be stuck. My goodness. Why did he do that? Look. Brewer. Come on, jump off. Do it.